My student, open your learner book, your student book, Unit 1, page 4. We will read our lesson. Please follow my reading.
Unit 1, insectivorous plants. Imagine that you are a fly. You are just zipping around the sky, looking for a place to rest. When you see nice pink leaf that looks like a nice place to land, you think to yourself in your fly head. As you rest your feet on the leaf, you notice something strange. This leaf is hairy. You began to make your move, but your trigger, the plant, reflects. Snap! In 1/10 of a second, you are caught in a Venus flytrap. You will be digested in 5 to 12 days. Welcome to the world of insectivorous, carnivorous plants.
Next page, page 5.
There are over 250,000 plant species. Only 600 or so are carnivorous. We call them this because they attract, grab, and eat bugs. Like other plants, they get energy from the sun. But unlike other plants, they get the nutrients from their prey. Carnivorous plants live in pots and places where the soil lacks nutrients. Most plants get nutrients from the soil. Carnivorous plants have turned to other sources. The snap of the Venus flytrap is not the only way that plants eat bugs. Pitchers plants trick their prey into landing on them. They offer nectar bribes to the selfish insects that would take them. True to their name, pitcher plants have deep chambers. Their landing surface is slippery. They have inward-pointing hairs, making it hard to escape. The fly lands on the pitcher plant to eat, but slips into a pit filled with digestive fluids and is eaten.
Okay, my student, we will take only this 2 pages for today. Okay. After reading our lesson, what is carnivorous plants? Who can tell me what is carnivorous plants? What did you understand from this lesson? What is the carnivorous plants? Anyone? Is there anyone understand? No one?
نباتات آكلة اللحوم.
نباتات? No. Plants that eat insect. Insect. This is insect. This is an insect. Plant that
النباتات آكلة الحشرات.
Excellent. Plants that eat insects. Okay. At the first paragraph, it is talking about, imagine that you are a fly. You are a fly. Imagine that. And you stand on this leaf. This plant leaf. Okay. When you stand on this leaf, you will feel that you are slipping. In 1/10 of the second, you are caught in a Venus flytrap without teeth. Flytrap. And you will eaten in this plant. Okay. For the next page, page 2. Did you see page 5? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, page 5. There is over a quarter of million plant species. Okay, Hamad,
Yes,
how many plant species in the world?
only 600 or so are carnivorous.
No, over a quarter of millions. Over a quarter of millions plants. How many species? Kind. How many plant kind on the world? About over a quarter of a million. 600 of these
Millions.
plants are carnivorous. Only 600 from quarter of million kind of a plant. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Farah, why we call this kind of a plant carnivorous? Why?
What?
Why we call this kind of a plant carnivorous? Why?
Teacher
Because
مسامع. مش سامع مسامع.
okay, why we call this kind of a plant carnivorous? Why? Why we call that this kind of a plant carnivorous?
Because it eats bugs.
Attract, catch, grab, and
Bugs.
eat bugs. Eat bugs. This is bugs. Okay. Nazih,
What?
okay. Where does the plant get its energy? Its energy.
From the sun.
Excellent. From the sun. Excellent. Okay. Where does the carnivorous get its energy? The carnivorous
From their berry.
prey. Okay.
Yay.
This is Nien Farise. Okay? Okay.
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 Sirri? Sirri?
نعم يا مس.
Where does the carnivorous plant live? Carnivorous plants. Where does carnivorous plant live?
Get
Live
مس
Live
عيدي ما
in bugs and places.
bugs and places where the soil lacks nutrients. The carnivorous, this kind of a plant, live in bug, dirty water, and run dirty water, and the places where the soil turbid, lack nutrients, no food inside the soil, no food. Okay, carnivorous use this method: eat insects, eat berry to have an energy. Why? Why? Why do you think that carnivorous plants use this method to eat? Why carnivorous use eat insect to eat to get its nutrients? Why? 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 What do you think? I will tell you. Carnivorous live in a soil that lack nutrients, and the plants get its nutrients from the soil. So its soil lack nutrients. So they get to eat its prey. Okay. In this paragraph, they are talking about the next way to eat. We have two ways to eat bugs. The first one was snap, pop. the leaf, explode and catch the berry insect. And the other way was this way. Nectar preface to the selfish insect. We have butcher, plants which produce nectar, to hunt its prey, to hunt its prey. Okay, so we have two kinds of plants, of carnivorous plants. The first one that is pop snap plant, and the other plant which is used nectar. Okay, this butchery plant have deep chamber. Chamber mean room, deep room inside the plant. There is a deep room. In this room, the prey eaten. The surface of this plant, this is the surface of this plant is slippery. Slippery. When the insect stand on the surface, we will slip inside the plant, and inside the plant it has digestive fluid and on side the surface we have hair, make the very hard to escape, to run away. So did you have any question for today? Did you have any question?
No.
Okay, we will read the meaning. Zipping around, moving around. Trigger, case. Carnivorous, insectivorous. Species, a class. Bugs, insects. Nutrient, food. Who can complete? Trick, deceive,
Decide.
decide,
Deceive.
decide. Nectar, juice.
Juice.
Selfish, stupid. Chambers, rooms. Until
Food.
here, you will read our meaning